here to my nose, and I'm to her nose. Now take the first defense position, this one. Okay, let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 1. And center. Second position. Second is here. 2. And back. Third position. 1. My nose. Here. 3. And back. 4. 1. Reduce. 4. And back. Fifth position. Up. 1. And back. Chest. 6. Znači, popadni. Dajte na špagato, a ne zapravo. Okay, sixth position, one more time. 1. This must be higher than the other one. Why? Because the next movement is here. And she's doing this side. Potegni se na nobu here. I'm straight, put this cover, straight. 1 and straight. Okay, one more time, we will show the moment. I'm attacking. 1 and up. 1, 2, forward. She will attack me to see. That's the column will go up. Push me go up. Go 1. I'm doing this. One more time. 1. Take. 1. She's staying like this. 1. I'm tapping forward. And I'm doing this. One more time. Attack. 1, 2, 3. Without any line. This is the reason to have this position. Position is near 1 to 1. Okay, 8th position, 7th position, do. Помните, отгоре, надолу се сваля. Okay, 7th position, I'm doing it. Okay, go, 1. And 8th position, обратно. 2. Това е само ще да крепнеш. Okay, ще се крепа право. Това е 7, това е 8. 7. Like this. Okay, one more time, the 8th position. 1, 2. Обратно. 1, 2. This is the 8th position. Ще трябва да съм много ниско. Дайте да видите. До земя. Иначе те прилезат. 8. Само натискай към мен. Ще си оригинално. Здраво. 9th position. There. На гърба. Само, че трябва да бъде към мен. Обратно. Не. Не това е. Само, че това е тук и ми гледаш през ръката си. Second. You need to measure your position. Точно. Линията трябва да е точно. Още. Той, тя е обратна позиция. Това е някъде друго. Най-удобното възможно. Обръщаш гърба си към мене, изгърбваш се. This is. What is the attack? One more time. 1, 2, 3. 1. This is very strong. One more time, let's see it. 1, 2. And the entire back is doing this. Не я фаща обаче. Точно там се порежеш. Let's go one more time. 1. And the last position was what? Some position. Let's do it. 1, 2. Why? Because this is very strong. And she's doing like this. One more time. 1, 2. Okay, we'll do the same with Setu. Just to see, and after you will do in pairs. Let's go. First position. 1, 2. And back to the original position. Second. 1, 2. Third. 1, 2. Center. Fourth. 1, 2. And original. Next, 5. 1, 2, and 6, 1. Yes. 1, 2. Bing. You're gonna go there. Let's go. 1, 2, 7. Down. Переносишь 6 на ногу. 1, 2. Wait. 8. 1, 2. After 9. 1, 2. This must be connected to your back. Otherwise, it will hit you. Okay, one more time. 1, 2. And the last one. 1, 2. The first. Okay. What he's doing after he just moved his sword down to the ground. Move it. Whatever goal comes in. He's moving to here, and after he's cutting my head. This is the idea here. He will attack me up. He's attacking me. 1, 2, 3. This is the fastest way. On the big block from the buffalo skin, for example. One more time, we are doing the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. Isabella's cat. Okay, he will attack me now. First, second, third, fourth position. And I will do the same. Okay, let's go. First position. Let's go. 1, 2. Here. What is the counter attack of this position? Cut. First, cut his hand. 1. This is falling down. Here. This is cut. And after, very fast. Second one, second position. Let's go. 1, 2. Counter attack of this. Cut. Go. This is just without any movement of the legs. If I move, I can go very fast. Third position. Let's go. 1, 2. What I do is 1, 2. Fourth position. 1, 2. Now I'm pretty inside. Cut. Cut. This is for me. Cut. Fifth position. Up. 1. The others. Okay. 1, 2. Where I am? Here. 1, 2. After. Sixth. 1, 2. You know this. Just 1, 2, 3. Seventh position. Or double. Just 7 squares. Let's go. 1, 2. This is my seventh position. I'm back. What I'm doing also. This is called backman. 1 here. 2. 8. Let's go. 1. Package over. Here. 1, 2. So like this here. Ninth position. You're going to use. 1, 2. 1, 2. I'm using my back. One more time, the ninth position. The back. 1, 2, 1. This is the most near to this. I need to push this hand and together. I'm pushing and attacking. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And the last one, number 10. You saw this. Some other trick. Okay. Without counter attacks, we are doing the same. How to attack, where to attack, go in pairs, and try to do this familiar for your bodies, and after you switch the attack.